to be showing you guys in today's video. $600 is going to be the first ever payment you're going to be receiving, and you can put it straight into whatever account you want. Now, you guys are just going to be clicking and clicking and clicking and clicking, and you could be making over $1,000 with just 5 clicks. So if you guys want to know exactly what I'm talking about, then make sure you type in What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. So I'm going to show you how you're going to use AFFplus.com in today's video. You're going to get paid for every single click on this website. You're going to see here that people from all around the globe are earning continuously by just using their phones or their computers. On this website, you're going to be able to find a ton of different offers, which is then going to pay you different sums of money. Okay, I'm going to show you a lot of insider techniques and tips and recommendations that's going to help you make the most out of your income after you watch today's video. Now, I want you guys to start by clicking on the trending button over here. Now, you have to watch it to the very end. You're going to choose weight loss. Okay, you can then access this page by clicking on that. And then when you scroll down below, you're going to find different weight loss products and different weight loss offers that you're going to be able to advertise and promote. And for every single click that you're going to get, you are going to earn different amounts of money. You can choose from hundreds of offers on this website to be able to start making money. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to be showing you 2 examples and walk you through that step by step so you can get a lot of clicks and get a lot of money in return. So first of all, I want you guys to click on this link, which is then going to take you to this page with more details about the offer. Now, the payoff amount, as you can see, is this amount of money, and you're then going to be taken to the official website when you click on the preview button. Now, you're not required to build any of the websites whatsoever. The entire website is going to be made for you by the company itself, and all you have to do is send members to promote this offer. You're then going to get paid every time someone visits the page, enters in their information, and clicks on the red button. Send traffic, get clicks, and refer and promote this offer to others. So that's basically how AFF Plus makes money in general. You're not gonna have to sell anything, and this is what it means to say CPA marketing. All you have to do is promote and encourage people to click the website, and when they enter in their information, you're gonna get paid. And what I love about this is that you can earn up to hundreds of dollars for every click. And I'm gonna go through the entire process of signing up and completing the application in just a few moments. So you're gonna be sure that you're gonna get accepted, and you're gonna be able to promote all of these offers. Now, I'm going to give you a second example, another way that you're going to be able to earn this amount of money, okay? Over $100. So you're going to click on this link, which is going to take you to their offer page where you can find even more information. You're going to see that this is their payout, and as you can see, by clicking the preview button, you're then going to be taken to their official website. Again, the idea is very easy. All you need to do is get a link, send it, and people will access this website with just a single click. And every time someone submits their information, someone presses a button, someone clicks on it, you're going to receive how much was promised you, that how much you'll be compensated. If you guys want to make even more money online, over $1,000 every single day, then make sure you check out the description box down below, because you will be pleasantly surprised with what I have in store for you guys over there. So make sure that you check the description box down below. Also, comment down below where you're from and what devices do you use, and also tell me if you're an Android user or an iOS user. All this information really helps me figure out what to do for my future videos. I mean, these videos are for you guys anyway, so I really want to make sure I get as much output from you guys as possible. Now let's keep going. I've already shown you the first 2 offers that you're going to be able to promote, so I'm going to choose the third one now. You can again just click the link to access this page, where you're then going to be rewarded again with this amount of money. Now, finding the 3 highest paying offers and highest paying per click that we could join in this network was the first step, and that we have already successfully completed and fulfilled. Now, the right offer has to be chosen very carefully, and if you want to make the most money possible, I'm going to show you how you can start promoting 3 links simultaneously with our second step. You're going to get 3 links on 3 different offers consecutively, and you can earn up to $300. Okay? Now, I want to first walk you through creating an account. Okay, that's what you have to do first. Submit an application, create an account to be able to get your unique referral link. Being able to get this offer as an illustration, you're going to access this page at gurumedia.com. Okay, you're going to click the join network button. All you have to do is select next step from the I am an affiliate section. You're then going to be brought to the affiliates or publishers page, where you can then get a better payout and weekly payment. And all you have to do is click this button to create your account. It's then going to take you to a website where you're going to have to fill up the application form. An application form is required, obviously, otherwise you're just going to risk being turned down, losing your referral link, and the opportunity all in all. So you're going to provide in your first name, last name, email address, in the first column your contact information, literally anything they're asking you and everything. And then now they have a few questions like additional information, like who introduced you to Guru Media. You can just write no referral, or then not accessible for your Skype username. You can just enter the CPA lead in the part under the name, the affiliate network you're directing traffic to currently, which is important obviously. And then you're just gonna follow this suggestion and move on to what type of offers you earn the most. Now when you click on this down arrow, you're gonna select one of the categories, and I want you to click on CPA, and then what your average payout from all networks. And then I'm just gonna select 1,000 to 5,000, and then what type of traffic you currently run. I'll just do something like organic, forum traffic, social media traffic. Again, you have to really watch until the end. And then what verticals you focus on, you're just going to use weight loss, that's the term, and then your top 3 GEOs. You're just going to enter in Australia, UK, and the US. You need to do this, or else it's not going to come out the way that you want it to. So this is really important. Make sure you go back to that part or pause and try to remember it. Now, after that, what are specific names of offers are you now running? And right here, you can put Keto PX, Advanced Weight Loss, 556 Weight Loss Pill. What are some offer names that are you looking for? The Slim T3 Weight Loss Offer, which is a very particular product that you can earn that amount of money, what I showed you earlier. That is all. And then we're going to complete the information. I'm going to give you examples so you can exactly copy what I just did, even though it's a little bit complicated. Just watch the video again or go back to that part that we had missed. Just make sure you do that. Now you can read the terms and conditions, scroll to the bottom, click on this box. Finally, you can just click this button to submit your application. And then as we move on to step number 2, I'm going to share with you a unique approach. It's going to make you 3 times more money than the average person. All you need to do is visit Linktree when you arrive on this website. All you need to do is click on Get Started for Free, which is then going to take you to a page where you can create a free account. You're then going to simply enter in all of your information, press the register button. You're then going to notice when you log into your Linktree account, I've successfully added 3 links, and the reason we want to use the Linktree free software is so that we can simultaneously promote 3 offers, okay? Let's say this is the first offer. We're going to promote this offer to earn this amount of money. Here's another one where you can earn this amount of money. A lot of people, especially beginners, are going to attempt to promote the offers separately, or they can only do it with one offer. But in today's video, obviously, I'm going to show you how you're going to do all 3 together to make the most money. Now, if I refer a visitor to this page, they can choose from any of these buttons. For example, when they click on the first button, which is the first link, they're going to visit the website where they can sign up and you're going to get paid how much you're promised. They can click on the second link if they don't like the first button and would rather use the second one. It's going to take them right away to another offer where they can enter their emulation, sign up, and then you're going to make this amount of money in addition. Again, it's an amazing opportunity and a great strategy that lets you make and take as many offers as you want. You're going to gather those clicks, multiply them to 10 to 20 different offers on one page, and all you need to do is click on this purple button to add a new link if you wish to add one. Here you can add your title, you can copy mine if you want to. Now all you have to do is click on the pencil icon, enter the title you want, paste your referral link into the box. For example, you could paste a link here. Once you're done, make sure to turn this green. You can already see 4 links that's going to appear on your profile. This will be the only link that we share after we open it. Now, this is what visitors to my Linktree page see. I now have 4 links and 4 offers on my page that are ready for customers to click on, and I'll get paid if they click on any of these offers and enter in their information. All you have to do is copy this link so you can start promoting and bringing visitors straight into our Linktree page. And I'm going to show you another technique to increase the number of clicks and referrals to your main Linktree page. If you guys are having fun with today's video, then make sure you leave us some love by liking and subscribing and commenting down below what your favorite has been so far. You can hit the bell so that every time we have a new video up, you're going to be notified. And you can always be the first to know about the best news only from Money Shark. Now let's continue. Now you're going to visit the social networking website, twitter.com. You can right away sign up for a Twitter account if you don't have one yet. Once you're logged in, you can type in ways to lose weight into the top search bar. Press the search button. You're going to see a lot of people discussing weight loss strategies, a lot of people posting links directly on Twitter. This is where you're going to be able to generate traffic. You can post this link on Twitter, and if enough people click on one of these buttons to go to your Linktree website, you can earn a lot of clicks and make a lot of money. Now all you have to do is just click on this link to tweet your response to this possible customer. For example, type in, I have an amazing suggestion for you to burn fat quickly without dieting or exercising. You can learn more information here. Place your link, and all that is left for you to do is return to your Linktree account, copy the link, turn to Twitter, post your link there, and then just click the reply button. That's all you really need to do. Make sure you try this method out, and that is basically everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.